Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Talk about something you often do during the summer. You should say where you do it, how often you do it, why you do it during the summer.
During the summer, one thing that I often do is go to the beach. I live near the coast, so it's easy for me to go to the beach and spend some time in the sun, sand, and sea. I usually go to the beach at least once a week during the summer. Sometimes I go with my friends or family, and other times I go by myself. It's a great way to get some exercise, relax, and soak up the sun. I do it during the summer because the weather is usually warm and sunny, which makes it perfect for spending time outdoors. The beach is also less crowded during the week, so it's easier to find a spot to lay out a towel and relax. Going to the beach is a great way for me to unwind and distress. The sound of the waves crashing against the shore is very soothing, and I love feeling the warmth of the sun on my skin. I also enjoy swimming in the ocean and playing beach volleyball with my friends. Overall, going to the beach is a fun and relaxing activity that I enjoy doing during the summer. It's a great way to spend time with friends and family, get some exercise, and enjoy the beauty of nature. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.